Hi guys, today we're going to be opening up this generation outfit. So first, unsellotape it. You try that side and I'll try this side.
Then we can open the generation outfit.
And guys, at the end I'll be putting it on my doll. Is there sellotape on that side? There's not sellotape there. So it's just need to cut it open.
Rip the cardboard.
So we've got it nearly. So now we just need to cut it all off with some scissors.
Then the outfit will go out.
So we're just going to cut all the white lines and the outfit will just come out, I think. 2 at a time, I think that's just fine. And then it'll just start to come out. So you can just stop pulling them out, Isabel. They should be easy. If it's not, I'll just cut them off. It's really easy to cut.
Got glue. Oh, look at it. We got glue.
Yeah, so glue down. We just need to cut some others, and then we're nearly done. Then we can take the outfit out. Right, it's nearly done. That's
Do you have like 3 or 2 left?
so, guys. We've just nearly got it out. See, look, all the outfits are coming out. So we've got some glasses, and then we've got this like thing, microphone, and we've got some little boots, really pretty, and then we've got some other stuff, but we need to undo it because some of them are still attached.
Break it.
That's already undone. So it's just stuck here, so we need to take it off.
There's a knot.
Hello? Hello? It should come out now. There we go, that's just some cardboard. But this is like the jacket, and there's a t-shirt. Just got lots of string on it. And take the string off this one. We've got the little like this VIP necklace for the person. Just one more place to cut. It's really hard to cut this one now. There we
Got
go.
this.
And we've got some little leggings for the dolls.
Pink jumper or t-shirt, whatever it is.
And I'll just go get the doll. So, I've got the doll. She's just a little bit messy. Her hair's a bit messy, but it doesn't matter. We can just
Oh,
take
we've
her.
got this orange shield.
So, and just need to take the dress off the doll to, you know, put the clothes on. Oh, wait, scissors to cut. What is that? So let's put the little leggings on. She's got a little like lots of stuff. Let's put them on wrong, guys.
Oh, it's just so cute.
Let's put the scissors, please.
Look at them.
No. So guys, we're just putting on the leggings. The leggings just fit her, and then the little like jumper thing. Need to take these. So really like the shade of pink, and then we've got the picture of the doll. Well, that doll's hair looks close to this doll's hair.
Yeah, that's why we picked this generation doll.
Yeah. So let's just get the t-shirt on. And guys, I actually got these generation clothes for Christmas. And they're actually pretty nice. And they're really cool. So we just need her little boots on, and then her jacket, and then she's ready to go. Then she has a little necklace right there, and some glasses. She doesn't have socks, so we're not gonna give her some. We're not gonna get some socks. So, guys, we're just doing up her shoelaces.
So this is
The laces are really small, so it's a little bit harder.
Medal or something? I don't know what it's called, guys.
It's not really like a medal. It's like a VIP necklace pass thing. So it's really hard to unknot her shoes.
Guys, look at this.
That's weird.
Little glasses.
So I just undone the shoelaces. Comment down below, guys, if you think these shoes are actually quite cool, because I really like them. Got loads of the side going down.
Oh, this will be fun.
Yeah, that's what she like speaks through. It's like a microphone. She speaks through it if like people are being naughty or something. No, not if people are being naughty. If like she needs to shout or something. I don't know.
Got a little thing for her to hold.
But it's quite cool.
Back. So cool, guys.
So look, we've nearly done her shoelaces. That means we've nearly got her ready. But she just needs to carry all her stuff at the end.
I will show her what she looks like at the end.
So this actually is a strap.
And you put it around her neck. Look at the picture.
And then you strap it back around. Her hair's in the way. Let me just take it off, guys. Her hair. So it just goes around her neck.
Which glasses do you want her to wear? Her new glasses or these glasses?
I think she should wear her new glasses. Her new glasses go with her outfit, and her school glasses don't go with her outfit. Guys, our next video will actually be us playing with our generation school that Isabel got for Christmas.
And it's so cool.
And there's lots of little accessories, and there's little desks and that.
Yeah, we just don't want to spoil it. So should we talk about that in the next video?
Yeah, we'll show you on the next video, guys. And we've nearly got her ready. So yeah. Can I have her glasses? These ones.
Right, I'm gonna actually try these on.
And I think they will
so
fit.
blurry.
Yeah.
So blurry.
So let's just put the rubbish out the way.
Hello,
So guys, this is her finishing stuff. This is what she looks like. So she's just got a little string on now. So she's got these like cute little shoe boots, and then some star black leggings, a pink jumper, and then this like VIP pass thing, and then she's got this little pretty coat. I can't tell what colour it is. I can't tell. And then she's got this like microphone thing. Whoops, she dropped it. And she's got some glasses. So guys, we'll see you on our next video. Bye guys!